Oppo launched its new Reno series phone in some selected global markets as Oppo Reno 15A. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo Reno 15A features a tall 6.6-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1400 nits of peak brightness support, and it is protected by Gorilla Glass Plus AGC DT Star D Plus glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset paired with Adreno 710 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Oppo Reno 15A sports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 112-degree field of view, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 7,000 mAh battery with 80-watt SuperVOOC flash charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box with Color OS 16 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 158 by 75 by 8.3 millimeters, and it weighs around 202 grams. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo Reno 15A 5G has been priced in Japan for 8GB plus 128GB at 64,800 Japanese yen, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 76,800 Japanese yen. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Aurora Blue, Twilight Navy, and Afterglow Pink color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno 15A 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.